What is happening, everybody? Today's plan, we are heading toward Daytona to see Fast Lane D. We got Brett rocking the merch. Dylan, there you go, he looks good. Oh, all right, we just ran down 4 all the way to Daytona. There's a lot of bikes out. I would say 20% sport bikes and 80% cruisers. Yeah, there's all kinds of bikes. It's awesome. So we'll go to Dylan's event for a little bit. What up, dog? Oh, Brett and I are about to do. Good to see you too.
Yeah, you too, bro.
We were gonna.
You got the GoPro mount on the back.
That's Brett's cam. Yeah.
The back cam. I like that, man. I like that.
But he was talking smack, and I got mine right there waiting. But we need to go to the gym, and we have to get a couple of these 25-pound.
We'll start pushing.
No, you got to put the 25-pound weights in your.
It's okay. If you
right?
Listen, you guys need an excuse to win. I don't. So it's okay.
You haven't even run me. This is what I do. This is how Brett and I, my son and I, talk all the time. But he's yet to beat me. That's why I have my Brett cam. You know, it faces reverse. But he had a dip. We were gonna do some hard twisties on the way back.
Okay.
He had his girl, man. He had to go to Miami, so.
Oh man. Oh my bad. Sorry. My bad.
Yeah, it kind of blew, man. Where do you want me? Ah, it's good to see familiar guys.
That's what I'm saying. You gotta hear it in person.
It sounds good.
This exhaust, man.
Oh, it sounds good. I've got some good twisties coming up. We have to go out riding.
This man's crazy, dog.
No, we have a good time. We have.
I like that.
I wish Brett was repping your gear, and I'm like, oh man.
Man, that'd have been cool.
Oh, it would have been really cool. That's what we said. We got halfway here, and he got a phone call on Cardo, and he apologized. He's like, oh man. That's a good event again, dude.
You know what I'm saying?
But these cats are all talking smack, and they don't realize that they're running guys who weigh 50 pounds more.
Did I find it?
So I'm gonna talk smack right back.
Here's the thing. We got Ducatis, we got BMWs. That's a $45,000-$50,000 bike. Mine's like just a little jixer. It's fine. 50 pounds is 50 pounds. Look at this.
No, you probably got work done. I gotta look at your exhaust. I bet it's all white because you got the race fuel. I know that game.
Gas pump. I stopped accelerating and he was still that far back.
50 pounds is 50 pounds. Dylan, I got your back because I understand.
No.
I'm old and fat. At least you're young and big. Bring your rig. I'm right over there.
See, like, I don't have my bike right now.
We got excuses.
I don't have my bike.
Oh, that's right. He doesn't have his bike.
Yes.
But we need to go to the gym and we have to get a couple of these 25-pound.
We'll start pushing.
No, you got to put the 25-pound weights in your.
You guys need an excuse to win. I don't. So it's okay.
You haven't even run me. That is really cool. That is such a nice bike. And Dylan, I tell you, it fits you, man. It's such a badass bike. It's one of those things I guess you gotta see in person. It's like the new V4S when I got it and everyone was tripping. This is a really good looking bike. All of them are. We got the M, which you're not gonna make in carbon anymore. That's always gonna be a classic, beautiful bike. Now this right here too. And he has the brand new SC Project exhaust, which is the first one I believe that's been put on all the Ducati SPs. That's another sexy bike, bro. Now Dylan's got me wanting to add to the stable now. I think I'm gonna get my third and fourth one. Fire that baby up. Oh, very nice. Very nice. No, I like it. That sounds really nice. Oh, look at this. There she is. That's the bike that was gone in 30 seconds. Same color scheme. I had the M4 exhaust, and I had a guy up at Jennings tuning it. Walk over to the other side, we got the old ZX10, which I think is another really nice bike. And that's where I'm getting at. I'm looking at getting another leader bike. What do you guys recommend me getting? Should I go? I don't have all the cash in the world, but I definitely want to get a third one. Or possibly trade Brett's and get him a newer one, since we do put a lot of miles on them. There's just so many nice bikes. The old Goose is getting on it. Or should we go with 2 track bikes? What do you guys think? You know, we've been debating about that idea too. Just maybe getting a couple of 750 Gixxers or something like that. Keep them stock. And since we got the trailer, we could hit the tracks pretty hard. I like these ZX6s. It just comes down to personal preference, because I think all these new bikes nowadays are awesome. I mean, we're all scrapping for what, a couple of horsepower? What I will do is take this opportunity to tell you and apologize we haven't been getting so many videos out. It's because a little work got in the way. We got to pay for this. Now, this is fun. We really do enjoy this, but you still got to get that red button, subscribe, hit that like button, hit that notification bell. That's what helps us out a lot. I do enjoy this a lot. I mean, believe me, I wouldn't be doing this if I didn't like it. This is tons of fun. On the search for some more GoPro mounts, because like a big dummy, I let the wind take my helmet off my tank. But it's a cool event, awesome event. Dylan held again. Lots of good, cool bikes turned out. Always good people. If you guys haven't, sub to Fastlane, follow him on Insta. Really good dude. Got the Speedway here. Oh, bro, I wonder if they got a GoPro tent set up. All right. GoPro just take care of me big time and just gave me some mounts for free. That will keep my business with GoPro, because that honestly was a savior, because my chin mounts broke. So you guys, everybody missed some pretty good content. I'll walk around here a little bit. We're gonna grab some food. This is the parking lot that's out in front, and then the infield access is actually a street down. But pretty cool. Like turn 1 is like right across, right there. If you look back at my previous videos, that will link right here. You'll see where we go into the turn 1 and all that. We'll do a little drive around here, and you can check out some bikes as I talk. But But this parking lot is like all vendors, which is really cool. And I got to do a huge shout out to GoPro. There was no way I could have had any footage at all if it wasn't for them right now. Yeah, they got everything here. Get you some hats. There's the entrance, and turn 1 would be like right on the other side of this. The best place to watch if you come here to watch a NASCAR or like the Daytona 24, where they actually go in the infield and they do the road race course. You actually want to go to right through these, I forgot what gate it is, but you want to go to where the turn 1 entrance is. And literally anywhere in the stands is good above that, because you can see turn 1, you'll see turn 7, which is where you come out of the infield and back onto the track. So if you get here early, that's the place to go. Is you want to find turn 1 and just go up if you plan on going to the stands. If not, the best way to do it is to get the infield tickets. You get the infield tickets, you can walk the garages, you can cruise around the entire infield, and you can go to different spots like the chicane in the back stretch. I'd recommend to go to Horseshoe. There's 2 horseshoes. You got turn 3 and turn 5. Look at these things. Oh, awesome, bro. I've never ridden something like that. What do you call those? Big wheels? Pretty wild, man. That thing is slammed. They gotta have a hydraulics or something on there. International turn 4, which would be up here, because that's the fastest I've been on the track, is after turn 4 and across the finish line, which is like right here. Previous V4, we were doing 190 something. I mean, I was following the pro lead and follows, and we were right up on top. Wow, it was a blast, man. I was tucked, just freaking YOLO, just freaking yeah. It was awesome. Sun is dropping. This is where that full leather suit feels good. Appreciate it. A lot of good folks down here. I tell you, everybody does like this Ducati. I do too. Yeah, but I also ran into a few people a few subscribers down here. So it's really cool to see you guys. If you ever do come down, definitely listen, reach out. Let's go for a ride. Good times. I tell you what I'm completely yearning for right now is some high-speed twisties. All this straight line stuff gets really boring after a while. Hey, I tell you what, comment down below what was your favorite bike you guys saw today. There's a whole bunch of nice bikes. My buddy's R1 that we were riding with, that SC Project, his bike sounded really good. Thank you guys again for watching, and I appreciate all those likes. I appreciate all those subs. Hope you guys are enjoying the content. I sure am enjoying riding and putting it out to you guys, because this is a blast. And thanks for watching. Oh, Chili, I'm out of here.